Hi, we are going to discuss a mathematical topic of great interest, perfect numbers. Perfect number is any natural number that is equal to the sum of its proper positive divisors. Now, this expression, proper positive divisors, what does this mean? As you might all know, the divisors of a number, let's say 6, are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Proper positive divisors nothing really but all the divisors except the number itself. So here 6 is not a proper positive divisors. Now, if we take the sum of all the proper positive divisors, we get the number itself 6. So 6 here is a perfect number. Now let's take another example, the number 28. As we can see here too, the sum of all its proper positive divisors, which does not equal the number itself, is 28, which is equal to the number itself. Thus 28 too is a perfect number. Now an interesting thing to note here is, if we include the number itself as a proper divisor, then we get the sum of all the proper positive divisors, which incidentally is known as an L quotient, equals 28, and we add the 28 number itself to it again, so it necessarily just doubles the number, which gives us 56. So we have another interesting property here. A perfect number is any number that is equal to half the sum of all its positive divisors, which is straightforward really. As we add the number itself, it necessarily doubles. So this is half the sum gives us 28 again. So 22 is a perfect number. Now there is an interesting theorem about the perfect numbers. It says that if 2 raised to n minus 1 is a prime number, if and only if 2 raised to n minus 1 into 2 raised to n minus 1 is a perfect number. Now mind here, if and only if suggests that the theorem here works both ways. If, let's say for the first way, 2 raised to n minus 1, let's say for example n is equal to 3. If we take n equal to 3, we get 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 7, and 2 raised to n minus 1, the value of this whole expression here is 7 into 4 equal to 28. So we can understand how this works. If we have a value of n equal to n here, so that this expression here 2 raised to n minus 1 gives us a prime number, then this expression here, the number itself, the prime number, into 2 raised to n minus 1 is a perfect number, and other way around too. If we get a value of n such that this expression is a perfect number, then the first part of this expression 2 raised to n minus 1 has to be a prime number. This is all there is to the basics of the perfect numbers.